Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. In this video, let's take a look at what happens when stocks and pretty much any trading instrument moves their RSI and also the MACD with uniform action. Now for the RSI, the level to watch for uniform action in this example is RSI 50, and for the MACD it's the zero line for the MACD. So what we are looking for here is uniform activity around RSI 50 for the RSI, of course, and for the MACD, uniform activity around the zero line and what it tends to suggest. So here we have a perfect example, ACIA as an IPO. This is all data daily, and what we can do here is take a look at this bounce right there at the daily RSI 50, and this was a nice low, and of course the stock went on to record a substantial gain after that, moving from about, let's call it mid-30s to the $120, $125 range after this uniform activity bounce at the RSI 50 line on its daily chart. Now if you take a look at what the MACD was doing during the same time period, here we can see, so this was RSI 50 bounce, MACD went below zero and back above it with uniform action. In other words, it looked something like this: below zero, back above it with uniform activity, and the main MACD did not even get to zero, but you can also see that visually it held nicely with uniform action above the zero line for the MACD. And of course we see that since those RSI and MACD support with uniform activity during this period, the stock recorded a nice run. Now let's take a look at the exact opposite action here, and what we see here is over the last week or so the stock has gone above RSI 50 and back below it with uniform action, which gave this sell signal here, and since then the stock is responding with a continued push lower today. Let's take a look at what the MACDs are doing, and here we got two resistance levels. Resistance level here with uniform action above the zero line and back below it, and again here rejection as the MACD tried to move above zero, uniform activity rejection there also. Now those two rejection levels, so this level here and this one, so this is in mid-September, and here we are seeing the same thing in early October, corresponds with the price highs here and here. So we can see that uniform activity around RSI 50 tends to be a signal of what could happen next. Also be on the lookout for uniform activity, either support or rejection on your MACD lines, which should indicate where markets are poised to go. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Check the description for more links on this topic. Peace and blessings. EACS. Woo!